Welcome back, YouTube. Here we are, part 4 on the Grand Design fails. What's the latest update? Find out right after this.
Grand Design RV. This call will be recorded for quality assurance and training purposes. If you are calling about a towable Grand Design unit, please press 1. For a motorized Grand Design unit, please listen carefully as our options have recently changed. For the Grand Design Customer Service Department, press 1. To reach our Parts Department, please press 2.
Grand Design, this is Owen. How can I help you?
Hi, I was calling to speak with somebody, hopefully a supervisor or manager. I haven't heard back from my contact in over a week.
I will get this moving for you, Jay.
I really appreciate it.
All right, you take care.
And what was your name? I'm sorry?
My name is Owen.
Owen, I appreciate it. Thank you so much, Owen.
You're welcome.
All right, have a good day.
Bye now.
All right, bye-bye. All right, so we were on hold for about maybe 12 minutes. Talked to an Owen there who completely understands that not hearing from your representative for a week is a little unheard of, I guess. I just want to look through here real quick. Okay, so last I had heard was from the 24th of October. Just that I had sent over the estimate previously on, let's see, at a previous time. Oh, maybe it was the week before. So let's see, the 24th was a Thursday, which is kind of weird. Anyway, so yeah, I sent over the repair bill previously to that. So the 24th, I heard back from Elizabeth saying that they got it, they were closed. It seemed that the repair estimate was high and that the job should only take 2 to 3 hours to scrape and repair the roof, which, like I said, they scraped it completely off. They had to let it dry overnight. Then they had to come back through and clean it and then reseal it. And they say that should take 2 to 3 hours. So I replied with 2 emails on the 24th. I sent one on Tuesday, which was the the 29th. I don't know if you can hear her. She's cute. So on the 29th, and then 2 more, and then another one on the 30th. And here we are, November 1st, and this is where we're at. So that's why Owen was like, yeah, that's a little weird. I haven't heard anything for a week. So I asked to speak to the manager. As he heard, he's going to forward it. We'll see what happens. Hi, baby girl. I guess it's time to go. So I'll show you the roofs to kind of side by side them, and you tell me doing this is going to take 2 to 3 hours. I don't know. Anyways, thank you guys for sticking it out. Hopefully we have an answer by the end of the day. I'll let you know if I get anything from Grand Design, email, phone call, anything like that. Thanks a lot. All right, as you just seen, I called Grand Design earlier today. I needed to get the ball rolling. I wanted to try to get to a manager, supervisor, something like that, because the person that's handling my case has just dropped the ball, radio silence for the last week. But that guy, Owen, he stepped up, he sent it to a supervisor, and all of a sudden I got an email from my original contact at Grand Design. So let's see what they said. Mr. Yazzie, I do apologize and understand your frustration. While I sympathize with you, an hourly labor rate and breakdown of labor hours are required by our corporate accounting team in order to process an invoice. After discussing with upper management, the invoice will need to be revised, and we are unable to make an exception as this is not a customer service requirement, but a corporate requirement. Grand Design RV will continue to offer their support by contacting Genesis, which is the RV repair place, in regards to the attached invoice. But at this time, we are unable to process the invoice as provided. So as you guys may have seen, or I may have told you, I've emailed them a couple of times. The first invoice, which was not good enough. A second invoice that kind of broke down a little bit more of their process of what they're going to do to repair the roof. Now the third one, which is the final invoice that I had just paid the $3,700 for, it broke it down even further exactly what was done on there and what they had to do to get to the final step. I'll attach it in here. You can, pause the video, take a look and see what they said in there. But Grand Design is telling me that's still not good enough. So now get this. We are concerned due to the lap sealant utilized by Genesis as well, as Dicor is not a compatible product for the Alpha Systems LLC TPO roof membrane material. Issues could potentially reveal themselves at a later date due to incorrect materials being utilized. We would like to ensure this is also resolved prior to reimbursing for these repairs, as the repairs do not meet the Grand Design RVs or Alpha System standards. I do apologize again for your frustrations, but I want to ensure you are taken care of presently and in the future in the relation to your roof concern. So here we are, about 2, maybe 3 weeks after I originally contacted Grand Design and started this whole process. At no point, even after the first invoice, not even the invoice, it was the first time I dropped off the RV at the RV repair place, they gave me something that showed what they're going to do to the roof. At no point did they say, hey, this is the certain items or material that can be used on the roof. Nothing was ever said. Nothing was said to me, and as far as I'm aware, nothing was said to the RV place. So now that everything has already been going and I needed my RV back, I said, go ahead and let's do it. So now they're telling me that the RV place used the incorrect product to be compatible with my roof. All right, cool. That update says that we are still not getting payment until they get more information. So cool. Grand Design, you're treating me very, very well. I hope this video reaches many more customers or potential customers that may be considering a Grand Design unit. Why? Because if you're failing me now on such a small little detail as far as my labor hours on the roof, then who knows what's going to happen if anybody else gets an RV, goes to the repair shop of their choosing that they truly believe in, and now they're giving me such an issue of trying to get my RV back and they won't make payment. So please comment down below if you agree with me trying to take it this far and try to get my payment back, or should I just let it go? I don't know. You let me know what you think. If you know anybody else considering trailers and they're considering Grand Design, maybe tag them in the description below, or sorry, in the comments below. Let them know that, hey, let's maybe consider another unit if Grand Design's not standing behind their units. Anyways, I appreciate you guys. Please smash the like button, comment down below, and stay tuned for the next update.